Right, today I finally was able to go through my office and get to some projects that I wanted to cover here on Retro Alcove. I'm excited because this is my first time ever doing anything with the ZX Spectrum Mini that was not released in the US. I did have to buy this, I believe, from Portugal, Amazon, to get it. So I'm here with this, and I'm also going to be looking at from Retro 32. I got myself a ZX branded USB drive that has all the games able to be plugged into this system. We're going to load it up, see how it looks. And since the ZX Spectrum is primarily a computer based mini system like the Commodore, it didn't come with a controller. So I am using my Amiga A500 controller here plugged in the USB. So let's go ahead and give this a whirl and see what this looks like. Mm. Okay. Nice. So this is the standard built-in system. Just see what we have in here. Ooh, Football Manager too. Yeah. Huh. Interesting. The Hobbit. Horace goes skiing. Jack the Nipper. He's wicked. He's evil. Can he be stopped? Lord's Midnight. Nice. Alright, let's go ahead and plug in this USB that's supposed to have all the things. And figure out what do we do from there. Do we have to restart it? I like it. It's like a mini cassette. Okay. Let's look at advanced options. Yeah. I like carousel. Alright, let's go ahead and we'll turn this off and turn it back on and see if those games show up on the USB drive. Oh. Okay. Pillow. Okay. A lot of games to pick from. Let me see if this has one of my favorite games that I ever played. Uh, uh, I, okay. This has a working keyboard, mind you. Yeah, no, this is... Let's try cursor. Nope. Okay. I'm gonna have some playing around with that. Robin Hood, Saboteur. What looks good here? Target Renegade. Yeah. As you can see, I turned it off and it's still not. Wow, are all these played with the keyboard? I'm dead. This is a great game. Really. Really great game. Tenabra? Like... Tenabra? Like... Dario Argento's Tenabra? I don't think it is. Sure. Let's try Alien Girl. Easy? Use your weapon to destroy the doors. Follow the red arrows. Kill the queen. Okay. Apparently that really brings it back to home. So that's cool. So, note to self. Okay. That's clearly a xenomorph. Really, from 2021? I only have so many shots. Clearly, I don't know what I'm doing. Let me go. Fantastic game. Fantastic game. I guess we're going to do an update real fast. This is an interesting piece of tech. Like I said, I've never had a ZX Spectrum America. But it's pretty cool. It's just this whole other group of games that I've never had a chance to play. I mean, I really need to Off of Weinerstein, Monty. Okay. This looks like Marble Madness. Is this Marble Madness clone? FIC 6 or 7. Sinclair joystick. What? I don't. Do I have a joystick? That's USB. That's readily available. I do not. Sure, let's try El Stampo. Powered by Nirvana. A tank of thank to... Let's try this again. Okay, so El Stampo. Up, down, left, right. Stomp, pause, restart, quit. Okay. Interesting. Okay. That's an interesting game. Exelon, Fairlight, Firelord. You know what? You know what? Let's do this game. Okay. Time to wake up. Okay. Okay, I'm outside now. In prison. With Red Cross parcel. Nope. 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 I mean, I understand this is like old school stuff, but like the opening graphics could have like You are in a comfortable tunnel. The wooden... Okay. To the east is round green door. You see the wooden chest. Gandalf is carrying a curious map. Thorin. Gandalf says, gives him the curious map to him. Thorin says, hurry up. You cannot go east. You cannot go west. You cannot go south. I cannot go east. Wow, this is fantastic. I'm sorry you don't know that word. I just made it up. Okay, so wow. Open. Chest. You open the wind chest. Again, opens the ground ring door. Thorin waits. Go. You're in a gloomy, empty land with dreary hills ahead. Okay. To the west is the ground visible exits are east, northeast. Okay, so let's go. You are in the Trolls Clearing. Okay. All right. I can track the hideous or large or vicious troll. Let's do oh, what a hoot. What a hoot. Apparently I need to get myself a much better keyboard. I'm gonna Google what's the best ZX Spectrum games are. Really? I don't. I'm sorry, I don't. Okay. Okay, so. yes, Spectrum Games. Let's see if there's anything I recognize. Should have done this beforehand. I apologize. Oh, really? Dang it. Okay. Invalid argument. Fantastic game. Fantastic game. I don't know how I didn't play this before. Okay. 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 I see you. I see you. Let's see here. Yes. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, freaking button again. Alright. Okay. I will. I promise. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, I can't do anything. Yeah. Wow, that sucks. Alright. There's only one last game to try here. Because of who we are and what this channel is. Clearly an altered beast. Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. Not doing well. Okay. Well. Yeah, let's kind of wrap this up here. This is something never released here, never got to play. Obviously, it's a PC game. Lots of required keyboards. Um, Let me know in the comments below if you ever played the ZX Spectrum, what games you like, and even games you want to see me play as I get like an actual keyboard or get like a Sinclair style joystick. I know I have USB ones for the Commodore 64, so I'll test that out later too. But we'll see you next time, Retro Alcove. Bye.